Welcome back to my channel, Stay Focused in Flight, and in this video I'm departing Wood County Airport and I'm headed to Pennsylvania.
Okay, Seminole 443 Bravo Golf, we're about 10 miles to the east of the field inbound for the RNAV 28 simulated single engine Wood County.
Warrior 433 Lima, holding short of runway 28 on Bravo 1, Wood County traffic.
Wood County traffic after 340 Bravo Golf, downwind runway 28 Wood County. Wood County traffic 442 Bravo Golf, 45 to downwind runway 28, we got the downwind traffic in flight.
Alright, I'm gonna go to that. Wood County traffic, Warrior 433 Lima, taking off on runway 28, Wood County traffic. This airport is extremely busy because Bowling Green University students fly out of this airport.
Wood County traffic, Terminal 443 Bravo Golf on a 5-mile final on RNAV 28 Wood County. Wood County traffic after 340 Bravo Golf, turning base, runway 28 Wood County.
So there's about 4 planes preparing to land. One is coming straight in, tracking the RNAV 28, and the other 3 are entering the traffic pattern on a right downwind. So I'm trying to take off as soon as possible.
Wood County traffic after 340 Bravo Golf, short final runway 28 Wood County.
It is crazy right now.
Wood County traffic, Viper 8414 Romeo, 4 miles to the west, entering the right downwind 28. Wood County traffic 442 Bravo Golf, right downwind, number 2, and right 28, full stop. Wood County Seminole 443 Bravo Golf, we're about 4-mile final runway 28 Wood County.
Alright, let's
442, we're keep it tight, we should be able to squeeze in front of you. Alright, sounds good.
Alright, I got that one over there. Wood County traffic, Warrior 433 Lima, making a right crosswind. Wood County traffic. I got that guy right here. I see him. And then I got... Dude, I'm like surrounded. What the freak, man? Wood County traffic, Warrior 433 Lima, making a right downwind Wood County traffic, headed to the east.
Wood County traffic after 340 Bravo Golf, on the go, runway 28, Wood County, stay in the path.
Alright.
Wood County traffic 442 Bravo Golf, turning
I got that guy over there.
Wood County traffic, Seminole 443 Bravo Golf on the 2.5-mile final from 28 Wood County.
I think I'm good though, because now I'm above pattern altitude, so I'm good. So we're good now. So yeah, so this airport has a university that has an aviation program called Bowling Green University. And so all of those pilots that were just on the radio, they're all student pilots. Some of them might be flying solo, some of them might be flying with the instructor. But, and I found out all of their planes, all of their planes have the G1000, which is really nice. That's an expensive school if they all have G1000.
Wood County traffic 442 Bravo Golf, clear 28.
Number 8 Whiskey Charlie, contact Fort Wayne approach 127.2, see you. Number 8 Sierra Lima, contact Cleveland approach 127.35, see you.
127.35, Cleveland approach, 38 Sierra Lima. Did he say see ya?
MJ 886, High County weather 19450, observation wind 27012, gust 18, visibility 10 miles, scattered 4000, temperature 12, dew point, well, I don't think the dew point's right, dew point is 00. I think it says 00, point, no, temperature 2906.
I'm not nauseous yet, but I'm getting there. The last hour has been a little bumpy.
Number 438 Sierra Lima, contact Youngstown approach 133.905.
133.95, 432 Lima. So I'm going to go ahead and get the weather. I'm about 27 nautical miles away. It's called Newcastle Airport in Newcastle, Pennsylvania.
Newcastle Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 2025. Zulu. Wind 270 at 11. Peak gusts 16. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point -01 Celsius. Altimeter missing. Remarks. Density altitude missing.
All right. This was a very uncomfortable last hour of flying. Yeah.
November 8, Sierra Lima, use caution for a pair of antennas at your 12 o'clock, or correction, 11 o'clock, about 8 miles, extended to 2,500 feet.
All right, roger that. Antennas in sight for 3 receiving. I think Pennsylvania has some of the tallest antennas that I've ever flown around or above, and I'm not sure why that is, but they're everywhere. Once a pilot gets close to their destination, the controller will cancel the flight following, and the pilot is then on their own when it comes to scanning for traffic.
November 8, Sierra Lima, no travel reserved between you and Newcastle Airport. Rear service turn, squawk VFR for exchange approved.
All right, squawk VFR, please exchange approved for 3 receiving. Thanks for your help. All right. All right, here we go. I got 3 white, 1 red. That's okay, no problem. All right, time to come down, get back on my glide slope. I'm tracking the RNAV 23N, so I got a glide slope. LPV. And VFR conditions. So I have a headwind, but I also have a crosswind, and you can see right here, I'm getting pushed to the left by that crosswind. I'm correcting for it, but I'm not correcting enough. So I end up landing slightly left of the center line. This runway's not that long. Boy, ain't nobody here. What the freak? So my plans were to order an Uber or Lyft and go to my hotel, but apparently these apps work in Newcastle, Pennsylvania, but they don't actually have any drivers who live in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. So I was stuck at this airport for about 20 minutes until the airport manager arrived and he gave me the keys to the courtesy car. So I loaded up the courtesy car and went to check in at the hotel. After checking in, I decided to get some dinner, and that's when the courtesy car wouldn't start. After trying for about an hour, I finally got it to start and went to AutoZone so they could check the battery. The battery was low according to their tester. By this time, I had left a couple of messages for the airport manager, but hadn't gotten a response yet. So I left AutoZone and went to Bob Evans for dinner and kept the car on while I ordered my food to go. Overall, the trip was good. I made it to my destination safely, and now I'm just headed back to the hotel so I can eat and get some rest. I should have part 4 posted later on this week. I apologize for it taking so long. I work full time and editing these videos can take a lot of time. So please be patient. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.